Hi, today's topic is career and guidance for chemical engineering. What is chemical engineering? Chemical engineering deals with the engineering and development of chemicals. It is concerned with the design and development of chemical manufacturing process. Chemical engineer work is to design and invent new chemical process or product. Chemical engineering uses the principles of chemistry, biology, physics to produce, design and transform product, energy and materials. Chemical engineer as a career. Chemical engineering is one of the brightest career options with lucrative job opportunities. It is about industrial scale production of chemicals. Chemical engineering has used in various fields of knowledge and industries. You can get hired by both public and private sectors. As a chemical engineer, you can work in various fields. You can get highly paid salary. Chemical engineers get hired in various sectors like petrochemical industries, petroleum refineries, cement factories, food processing and technology units, fertilizer factory, pharmaceutical industries, biotechnology sector, etc. You can work in the fields of various industries such as chemical manufacturing industries, petroleum industry, food industry, electronic industry, cement industry, plastic industry, fertilizer industry, agrochemical industries, pharmaceuticals, textile industry and so on. Some of the branches of chemical engineering are as follows. Branches of chemical engineering: biochemical engineering, biotechnology, ceramics, chemical process modeling, chemical technologies, fluid mechanics, electrochemistry, food engineering, plastic engineering, polymer engineering, biomedical engineering, unit operation of chemical engineering. 10. Job profile. The different job profile in the fields of chemical engineering are as follows: chemical engineer, technical operator, fire and safety officer, development chemical engineer, site engineer, mining engineer, analytical chemist, environmental engineer, professor, materials engineer, quality manager, energy manager. Course and duration. The various diplomas, undergraduate, postgraduate level degrees are available in the fields of chemical engineering. First, diploma courses. The duration of diploma courses is 3 years, which is diploma in chemical engineering. Then, UG level courses. The duration of undergraduate level courses is 4 years, which are B in chemical engineering, BTech in chemical engineering. Then PG level courses. The duration of postgraduate level is 2 years. MA in chemical engineering, MTech in chemical engineering. Eligibility. The basic eligible criteria for various courses like diploma, undergraduate and postgraduate. For diploma level courses, you have to complete your 10th class with mathematics and science as mandatory subjects. Some of the universities and colleges are conducting entrance exams like JEE Main, JEE Advanced and GATE exams for these courses. For UG level, you have to pass with minimum 50% in 12 board exams along with PCM subject, that is physics, chemistry and mathematics. For PG level courses, you have to pass in UG degree in the pertinent field with minimum 60% score. You have to qualify for entrance exams like JEE Main, JEE Advanced, GATE exam, etc. conducted by universities or other institutions to pursue chemical engineering. Cost of education. The average course fees of chemical engineering is around 2 lakhs to 9 lakhs. The course fees may be varying from different colleges according to their features. The fee structure is varying from government and private institutions. Top colleges for chemical engineering. Some of the top colleges for chemical engineering are as follows: Indian Institute of Technology Chennai, Indian Institute of Technology Delhi, Indian Institute of Technology Kanpur, National Institute of Technology Bombay, SRM Institute of Science and Technology Chennai, College of Engineering Pune, Anna University Chennai, Indian Institute of Space and Technology Trivandrum. Then salary. The average salary for chemical engineering is range between 50,000 to 9 lakhs per annum. Thus, depend upon the skills like active learning, innovative thinking, technical knowledge, problem solving skills, interpersonal skills, operational skills, and organizational skills and their experience. Leading recruiting companies for chemical engineering. Here I am going to mention some of the top leading recruiting companies for chemical engineering are as follows. Milliken Consultant Engineering Private Limited, Coal India Limited, Balmer Lavair and Co Limited, L&T, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, Ambuja Cement, National Thermal Power Corporation Limited, Steel Authority of India Limited. That's it.